Hi guys, let's make these soft and delicious mandazis. In a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you're using self-rising flour, do not add the baking powder. In another bowl, beat 1 large egg, and to that add 1/2 cup of milk. Mix that together until it's well combined. Then to the flour mixture, add a 1/4 cup of sugar and mix that together until it's well combined. Make a well at the middle of the mixture and add the egg and milk mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of melted margarine and mix that together until you get a shaggy dough. Dust the work surface with some flour and then transfer the mixture to the surface. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it's well combined. Return the dough to the mixing bowl and cover it for like 30 to 45 minutes. This will allow the dough to rest and the gluten to relax. After 45 minutes, dust the surface and roll out the dough. Once it's all rolled out, cut the dough to your desired shape of the mandazis you want. I'm using a pizza cutter to cut the dough, but you can use a sharp knife. I just find it easier to use the pizza cutter because it rolls. Transfer the mandazis to a plate and then head to the stove top. Heat your oil until it's really hot for like 5 minutes and then add the mandazis. Let them cook on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes and then turn them. Once they are all cooked, transfer them to a bowl lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Do the same for all the remaining mandazis until they are all cooked. Be careful while adding the mandazis to the oil because it's really hot and can burn you. Now we are done. Let's taste the mandazis. These mandazis are very soft, moist and super delicious. They can go well with tea, coffee or any other drink of your choice. You can even have them for dinner with a stew. However you like to have them, they are really good. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.